Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So this is a video that we have not done in a long time, honey. We are doing a bougie luxury unboxing where I will be collaborating with USBAGS. Now USBAGS is a top luxury product online store that is trustworthy, trustable, as well as have luxury products online that you can actually shop for. So if you guys want to know more about these bag here that I'm about to unbox with you guys, won't you queens and kings continue to watch? So of course, USBAGS actually sent us some cards this time. So these cards is basically their website, how to contact them, their WhatsApp, you know, things like that to get directly contact with them, which all that information will be linked down below. And of course, the papers. Stop playing with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So that means we're actually legit. So now let's go ahead and unbox the rest of this bag here. So and nothing else came in the box. Basically, that's what I'm showing you all. So we're gonna put that to the side, honey, and we're gonna unbag her. Of course, it came with a duffel bag, very cute, white with gold font on it. But here is our bag, honey. Stop playing with Dior. Listen, we know we got a cousin that looks like her, but not the same color as her. So that's what I mean. You guys go shop on USBAGS, their website. They have plenty of bags, same color, designs, or whatever you're looking for, small, big, whatever. But anyways, so we're just going to take I'm about to say the belt, because y'all know last time I wore mine as a belt, which is just another idea that you can actually do with it. But this scrap here, as you all see, it have the font on the inside of it, which is the white side. And then we have gold hardware as well. But I love the design on it. There's something about the design that's physically on this bag. But anyways, like I said, it had gold font, girl, gold hardware and everything on it. So what I'm doing here, just going ahead and take off the paper as much as possible, which I should have done this before I started this video. But I just want to show you guys how pretty much it be well kept, how it be wrapped. Like they take care, it come to you very well, no damage or nothing to the box or anything. Like it get to you fast also. Okay, but yeah. So once we get everything out of it, you know, what they package it with and all, this is the inside of it. It does have some paper on the inside of it. So once I take this on out, you can see how deep this bag is, which you could carry so many items in this bag. That's one thing I do like about it. You know, keys, purse, wallet, small bottle of perfumes. It have different compacts, as you all see here on one side. Then we have this side here, we have the zipper side as well. So you can put change in it, folds in it, however, cards, all that in it. You can carry a lot in here. Even if you have them little fold up slides or what, a little slippers, you know, when our feet go to hurt us with them heels, you can put them in here too. Then I do like the little flap that goes over to cover it and protect it. But yeah, so cute little font and everything on it, but the gold hardware does bring it out. And then we have what these little feet that you want to call them to protect the bottom, so therefore you ain't got to worry about it getting dirty or anything like that. So once I take the paper and everything off, you see that those are gold too as well. So I do like this because, you know, we tend to put our bags down and sometimes we don't pay attention where we're placing our bags at, and we can put them on something that can actually stain our bag or damage it or whatever. But that's what these were, to protect. So you don't have to worry about that, sweetheart. You ain't got to worry about that, queen or king. You don't have to worry about that at all. But I do like this little keychain look with the Dior sign and everything on it, which I still left the plastic on because that can be very tedious. But I do just love the font and everything on it, the design. What is that? Is that a monkey, girl? What is that design there? But I know one down to the bottom with is a tiger. But yeah, anyways, but like I said, the Dior little chain here, which is spelled like Dior. These are the scraps. So pretty much, you can hook it like you want to hook it up. Take the paper off, y'all. Don't be like me. Take the paper off. If I could get it off at this point. Well, I can't get it off at this point. Okay. I'm like, why is this not coming off? Like, who have the time to do that though? But anyways, put that on there like that. forget to take the plastic off of his too. This kind of a little tedious to me, so I'm gonna do this pretty much off camera. And you do the same on this side too as well with the scrap. Take the paper off there. Okay. And you have your bag. So yeah, you know, you guys can wear this as a belt too as well. You know, I don't wear one as a belt, so you know, however you want to style it though. But I think I'm gonna style it with the belt on, or with the scrap as a scrap today, not a belt. Shout out to USBAGS for actually collaborating with me, for being so patient and understanding with me. I really do appreciate it. Queens and Kings, you guys check out all the links in the website, everything down below. You guys know I will not be sending you anything or recommending anything or showing you guys anything that is not affordable, because y'all know how I do. We bougie on a budget. Listen, we ain't got time for be breaking no bank. But anyways, Queens and Kings, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.